my own braids and I'm going to show you how I do them. I've obviously already started. I've done about half of my hair, well, close to half, not exactly, but that's done. And the first thing I do is I part my hair, like I open lines. So the first line I'm going to open here is going to start from the back, because I think that's the part that people are usually scared of. I'm just going to show you that it's doable. And you just feel with your hands if the thickness is to your liking. For beginners, I do recommend that you do bigger braids. The ones I'm doing are very small. So if you do bigger braids, you won't run out of patience. Maybe just like 10 blocks of braids and you're done. So I just pick a block of hair and get some extensions. I got these extensions at the local shop. I know Pep sells extensions, but I'm not sure if they're allowed to sell everything right now with the lockdown. But if you can get your hands on extensions, then by all means do so. So I just twist once and then I braid down. You just adjust your head and your arms according to what's comfortable to you. You know, you just go with it. You just go with it. And now that we have our line open, we're gonna bring back the pony. You bring back the pony. So you hold the block and you twist. I only twist once, then you start braiding slightly. I mean, it's very simple. Then you section one arm of the extensions and mix it with your natural hair. Then you braid down. Now you can see your head. You can see your head. It's unlike the back. Just open a nice line over there and pick a nice even block. Okay, I'm really tempted to do knotless braids, but I don't want to complicate this shandis that I'm doing here with you. So you just finely grab toward the back. This part is the part that requires guts, strong will, and high confidence. You must approach this with 3. You just braid with your hair for a bit, and then you borrow from the extensions. I have a mirror underneath, well, in front of me, with my little setup there. And there you have a braid. It's not difficult. You know, you can just freestyle the back, but be very careful about the front. Then you do that again. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this one braid. You see, just pick more extensions, grab, roll it once, braid for a bit with your natural hair, as one strand, and then you pick out the extensions, combine, braid down. Push it to the back like that, hook, one twist, tighten it a bit, and start braiding with your natural hair as one strand. Then you add a bit of extension. From the practice you would have gotten from the back, I guarantee you that by the time you get to the front, you will be more confident, and you'll know what to do. You will know what you're doing, you know? So this is the type of look I'm going for. These are gonna look pretty, I can already tell.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. Nothing at pool pa. Oh Jesus. I'm so glad I'm done. Okay, I just still have to deal with the ends. But wow, it's been a long day. Wow, wow, wow. So these are the braids. I think this is very, very neat. This is definitely the type of look I was going for.
So it is the next day, and I am just removing the parts that I curled. So what I basically did to curl this is I made these big plaits at the bottom, like so, and then I put them in boiling water, and I waited, I let them sit overnight.